Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show how we capture the HTML response content using the Postman. Okay, sometimes we are getting HTML content and we want to read, we want to get the text from the HTML content, then how we do that? Let me show you. So, one request, I am creating HTML response, and then we have one URL. This is the login URL. If I send the request, okay, here we will get HTML response. You can see here I'm getting HTML response. Now if we want to capture the HTML response content, how we do that? Okay, so we need to write the code under the test section, and then there is a library known as the Cheerio, and this is the inbuilt library. Also, this module is inbuilt in the Postman, so you don't need to install, set up anything. Okay, directly this is available in Postman. So how we do that? So just use the pm dot response dot text. So this method pm dot response return the some text, okay, complete HTML content. So I am storing here HTML, okay, content HTML variable. This is the constant type. So if I will log this message on the console, so we need to call the method console.log. So let me send the request. You will see response, text response will capture, and you can see on the console here like this. Okay, so complete HTML response we are able to read here. So now next we need to use the Cheerio library. Then there is a load method, and here pass the content of HTML. Let's create another variable and store, like I'm creating here HTML. Then now if we want to suppose that get the title of the page, right? Here is the title, orange HRM. So just use the HTML variable and then pass here the HTML title header. Okay, HTML, and in square bracket, not square, in small bracket, just pass the title. Let me run. Okay, this is returning the object, and now here after this I need to call the text method. Let me send again, and you can see orange is come. So what we are going to need to use, we need to call the HTML, pass the title here as an argument, and then call the txt function. So this will return the title. Now if I want to capture some text, like suppose that we have in the response we have copyright message. Okay, so just create a CSS selector, and using the CSS selector we can retrieve the text which is available in HTML code. So how we do that? So HTML, this is the object, okay, and then here in small bracket just pass the CSS selector. So in HTML, passing argument CSS selector, and then here we need to call the text method. Let me run. Go to console. You can see this is the title and this is the copyright message. Same message you can see here we are getting. Alright, reserved, because this has a common value, right? Both are same. That's why we are getting complete message. Okay, next if we want to retrieve the attribute value, so directly we can call here the text value by using the text method. If we want to capture the attribute value, then we need to pass the attribute name here instead of uh, text method. We need to call attribute and pass the attribute name. Like if we want to retrieve the value of href, just pass here, and then create here we need to pass the css selector, so space a. Okay, so this is the parent node and then it has child node, so that's why creating the css selector by using parent and child node, and we need to give here greater than a and then href. Let me run. You can see here we are getting the text like title. Here we are getting text using this method, and then using the ATR, passing the attribute value. This is giving us the URL of the href value, this one. Okay, so this stereo library will helpful to parse the HTML content in the Postman, and we can capture the text by using CSS selector after parsing the HTML content. Okay, thanks for watching the video, and if you like my video, you like this tutorial, please subscribe, click on like button, also share with your colleague, friend,